Alright, so I'm gonna get this front end on, finally. The car's like all messed up, so the body work is not done. I sealed it just to stop it from rusting. It was rusting like on the rails up here, so I just put paint on it to seal it. So that throws everything off. So when your doors, I had like to pick a happy medium. So either the door closed right and didn't line up, or lined up and didn't close right. So I picked, close right and doesn't line up. So, but now since I did that shit, the hood don't line up. Even though, but this is a fiberglass hood too, so and it's like I got it hella cheap. So who knows who made it? It doesn't look like it's made the best. So I'm gonna have to do some sketchy shit to get it to work. But I mean, like I said, I'm trying to drive it. I don't care what it looks like on the outside. So the body shop will deal with it, and I'm far from that. I got a bunch of body stuff I still want to do before I do that. So yeah, back to it. So that's it. Front end is on. I'm just gonna rock it like that and let the body shop deal with all the tweaking. You can see it's like way off, like the hood's super high. That's not because, oh man, you gotta do this, do that. The door is way out of whack. If the door is out of whack, that means the fender's out of whack, the hood, it just ripple effect. But the body was hit. I'll go over, my cousin had crashed it. I'll go over that one day in one of these videos. But yeah, it's in, it's on, it's doable, it's together. So, came out really good. I got these from OPG. They work perfect. So a little bit of tweaking, bringing the edges in, but these are remanufactured too. So also from OPG. Yeah, man, that's it. I didn't go over putting it together because mine hopefully is not like yours, because again, this was hit, the pillar for the doors bent, so it just messes everything up. Plus there's plenty of videos on how to align an old school front end, so I think it's doable. Came out really good. Next I'm gonna do the lip. Everyone rocks that Camaro lip. I'm gonna try it. It's cheap. I think it's like 50 bucks, so I'm gonna see how I like that one. There is one from Glass Tech, I think it is, that I like better, but it's like $250 and another $150 to ship it or something, and I don't know. So yep, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe.